Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the JavaScript synchronous way. We know that the JavaScript is single threaded and it runs step by step. Okay, so let's take an example how it gonna be run. Okay, so here I'm taking example for making a soup. Okay, so boil water, then chop carrots, add carrots and boil for 5 minutes, then chop onion and add onion, boil for 5 minutes. So taking an example, so let's create a function and function name while water, and we will take an argument that is called time, and we will gonna run for a for loop. Here we are going to pass the time, and let's console it. Console.log, still then console.log. Okay, so here we are just calling this function now for boil water. So we will call boil water for 10 minutes. We will pass 10. Okay, we will console.log drop carrots, right? Next we have add carrots, in boil water. So we will take again sequence. We will take chop onion, console.log console.log chop onions, chop onion. We have add onion boil water. So again we are going to call boil water. Gonna be done. Let's go to the code and check console. Clean it, reload it. See, first it will go to the I'm still not done. When its conditions met, then it prevent done. First, if you go and check, then first it's boil water, right? Go to the loop, check, I'm still not done, then done. Okay. Again, then it go to the chop carrots, right? Step by step. Then it will again boil water, and it again going to print it. So again it gonna print it. Then come back and print chop onion. After that, again it will go to this function, calling this function, again go to this one, and then call this function, call this data, right? So it is doing the method by step, means one execution completed, then next, then next, then next, right? So this is the synchronous way. But in reality, what we have to do, suppose one of the thread is unable to get the response and taking too much time. On that note, I don't want to wait for it. Like suppose loading a image, right? Loading suppose your image is too high quality, so you are still waiting for the image to load first, then go to the step by step. No, we are not going to do that. So that's the reason we are going to implement the asynchronous JS, right? So we are not going to wait for that particular function if we are taking time. So we will make the method asynchronous so that whatever they are getting from the callback, they can proceed for the next one, right? If this task taking too much time, skip it and do the next one. That is called the asynchronous JavaScript. So we will learn into the next video about the asynchronous, how it is gonna be working. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.